Students, let's move towards exercise F, vocabulary exercise F. Vocabulary exercise F is consult a thesaurus and find out the antonyms of the words. Why thesaurus? Why not dictionary? It's just because of that in thesaurus you get synonyms as well as the antonyms of the words. So for this you have to look into thesaurus to find out the antonyms of words. The words are serious, and the antonym of this word is ridiculous or funny. Next word is violence. Violence means gentleness or peace or mildness. Another word is weakness. Weakness, the opposite to it, the antonym of weakness is strength, vigor or power. Next word is delight. The antonym of delight or the opposite to delight is displease, displeasure or pain. Next word is harmony. The opposite to harmony is imbalance, disagreement or contrast. This is all about vocabulary exercises. Now students, let's move towards writing exercise, and remember, writing exercises are to be done in English B. In this chapter, the writing exercise is based upon an essay. You are asked to write an essay on your favorite or ideal personality. Now student, you can go for any personality which is the favorite personality of yours. It may be Quaid-e-Azam, it may be Allama Muhammad Iqbal, it may be any army man or any other person which you think that is your favorite personality. So students, you have to write an essay of about 200 to 250 words. You must have word limit of from 200 to 250 words. While writing an essay on my favorite personality, you have to, this mind map is given to you people, and you have to keep into consideration, you have to keep in view these points. Mean you have to write an essay on favorite personality keeping in mind these aspects. Whatever personality you have chosen, you have to see what was his or her attitude towards life. Like keeping in mind Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was very determined, calm and sober person. So that was his attitude towards his life. So you have to see what kind of attitude your personality possesses. Qualities you have to write about your personality. What are the qualities possessed by your favorite personality? Appearance, how that personality looks like. And achievement, like Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the achievement of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, that he made the dream of Pakistan come true. Okay? And so in this way you have to see what achievements were made by your favorite personality. So you have to write about the essay on favorite personality in your English B notebook, keeping in mind the word limit must not exceed from 250 words. Okay? It may be 200, it may be till the last limit of word is 250 words. Okay, moving towards another exercise, that is writing exercise H. Writing exercise H is analyze the last paragraph to identify the general idea. Analyze the last paragraph in the text to identify what is the general idea and supporting details. Okay, the general idea which I extracted from the last paragraph, the general idea of the paragraph is that when you are determined and firm on your aims and you are on right path, so no one can distract you from achieving those aims and ideas. So as the case was with Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a firm man, was a determined man, and he was sure about his ideas, his aims of life, and then he took the right direction and he got the success. So as the case with Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he was also a man of determination, so he was successful in getting independence from British and Hindu. What was his aim of his life? That he wanted to get independence for the Muslims of subcontinent from the slavery, from the subjugation of British and Hindus. And then he decided the right path, he took the right path, and he was successful in getting independence. So all you need to be, when you want to get achievement, when you want to get your aims, so you have to be determined, you have to be firm on your aims and goals, then you can do anything in your life. Okay, next one is exercise number J. Exercise number J is, in this exercise you have been given 5 sentences which have been taken from the chapter, and you are asked to translate those sentences into Urdu. As you know students, that translation is a major part of your course. So you have been given these sentences to be translated into Urdu. So I'm going to translate these sentences in Urdu, so please focus on it. Sentence number 1 is, there was much in those days of violence to sadden जिनाह. उन जुल्म और तशद्दुद के दिनों में जिनाह को परेशान करने के लिए बहुत कुछ था. Who was a man of very strong feelings, जो कि बहुत मजबूत एहसासात वाले शख्स थे. Although he rarely showed it, अगरचा वो बहुत कम इसका इजहार करते थे. Rarely mean बहुत कम इसका इजहार करते थे. Number 2 sentence is 70 million people. 70 million people, 7 करोड़ लोग. Who once had no country to call their own, जिनका कभी अपना मुल्क ना था. Had become a nation, एक कौम बन चुके थे. With great ideas and a great faith. Great ideas, अजीम तसव्वुरात, और एक अजीम अकीदे के साथ. वो कौन सा अकीदा है हमारे पास? हमारे पास इस्लाम है. Sentence number 3 is, through all the excitement of those first days in the life of the young nation, इस नई कौम की ज़िंदगी के इब्तिदाई दिनों के जोश व जज्बे के दौरान, the man who had made it possible, जिस शख्स ने ये सब कुछ मुमकिन बनाया था, remained calm, वो पुरसुकून, serious संजीदा, and sober, खामोश रहे. Sentence number 4 is, as he drove through the great sea of people, जूं ही वो गाड़ी में बैठकर लोगों के बड़े समंदर से गुज़रे, that stretched from the airport to the city, जो हवाई अड्डे से शहर तक फैला हुआ था. Through all the cheers and tears of joy, खुशी के नारों और आंसुओं, and the never ending slogans of पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, और पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद के ना ख़त्म होने वाले नारों से, the kite showed no sign of his feelings, कायद ने अपने एहसासात को ज़ाहिर ना किया. Sentence number 5 is, first to step out of the aeroplane, सबसे पहले हवाई जहाज़ से बाहर कदम रखने वाले, was a tall dignified man wearing a pure white शेरवानी. सबसे पहले हवाई जहाज़ से बाहर कदम रखने वाला बिल्कुल सफ़ेद शेरवानी पहने, दराज कद और मुअज़्ज़ज़ बावकार शख्स था. टॉल दराज कद, डिग्निफाइड बावकार या मुअज़्ज़ज़ शख्स था.